Lumapit siya dito. Na-feel niya dito mag-spa.
Yeah, look, the boat is moving, Sylvester.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Maria Lassen channel. And this is our day 1 living in the houseboat. So today, this is our first time na mag-drive na po kami. Yes, we are very excited. For the first time po, mag-drive ang aking asawa. So hopefully, hindi po niya mabangga. Kaya tara. And actually, the reason bakit po kami dito nagstay, kasi last week po ay birthday ni Sylvester. Ito po namin ma-experience ni Sylvester ang houseboat at kami na din lahat magpamilya. Sa mga nagtatanong po, sa mga interested mag-rent ng houseboat, nyo po ito ma-experience ang houseboat, i-search nyo lang po All Season Mildura. Actually, yung first video ko po, nasa description po lahat ng website nila. Ito po si birthday boy last week. Happy belated birthday, Sylvester! He's now 7 years old! Yeah. At ito ang unang araw namin mag-explore sa houseboat. Actually, first time po talaga makita ko ang aking asawa na mag-drive na gantong kalaki po na houseboat. Kaya medyo kinakabahan po si Dave, pero this is it. Kailangan na po namin mag-start mag-explore dito po sa Murray River. And of course, si birthday boy, sobrang excited na makita niya po. Nag-start na po kami pag-drive. And bago po ang lahat, kailangan muna namin tanggalin itong mga rope na nakatay po. So, kailangan talaga ito nakatay every time po pag nagpa-park kayo para hindi pa na-move po ang inyong houseboat. So, ito po yung una nyong gagawin bago po kayo mag-start pag-drive. So, yung bangka, pag mag-start na po pag-drive, ay napaka-slow lang po talaga siya. As in, hindi po kayo matatakot. Very smooth lang po ang pagdadrive. And si Sylvester, sobrang happy na nandito po siya next to his dad habang nagdadrive po si Dave. And of course, napakasaya po talaga niya makita ang kanyang dad na nagdadrive po ng houseboat. It's a lot of water. That is a good driver, doesn't he? Yeah, now we go to upstairs later. Because we're driving, it's danger to go upstairs. Let's just have a look the view. Look. Look, have a look there. There's a lot of tree. And there's all the houseboat over there. There's the engine. Habang naka-andar po ang ating bangka, magluluto po tayo ng noodles. Yes, napaka-steady lang po yung bangka kahit naka-andar dahil napaka-slow lang po. Honey, bae, can you please turn on the stove? Yung kahit nagda-drive yung driver mo. Ako na lang mag-drive pa straight. Thank you! Yung gagamitin nating tubig is yung rainwater. So, bakit nagtatanong pa ako sa asawa ko to turn on the stove? Parang bata. Actually, natatakot po talaga ako sa mga gantong klaseng stove with my experience na parang nasunog yung mukha ko. Kasi yung apoy biglang lumiyab. Siguro, tinorn on ko ng matagal. And hanggang ngayon, natatakot pa rin talaga ako. Kayo po guys, natatakot ba kayo sa gantong stove? And sarap buhay. Pa-relax-relax lang siya. Pa-relax-relax lang si Sylvester. You look so cute, Sylvester.
My favorite show.
Ah, is it your favorite show? So, di ba? Yung feel na feel lang niya. Naka-under yung bangka. Nagre-relaxing lang siya dito. There's our noodles. Actually, si David, nabusog po siya kanina sa aming kinain na ito. Hindi ako masyadong kumain dahil parang hindi ko masyadong like. And si Sylvester, kumakain siya ng noodles. Medyo mainit. Hopefully, it's not spicy. Is it not spicy? That's good. Sinirado ko na yung blind sa likod dahil yung araw. It's really against the light to my camera. Ilang araw din po kami dito titira sa houseboat para sulit. So parang nasa bungsod kami. Good job, honeybee. We just parked. We have a new spot here. Hindi na po kami sa park. We are now in the bush. So, si Dave na po yung mga nagtantay ng rope to make sure na safe po kami. Ito po ang aming campsite area. Wala kaming masyadong neighbors actually. Meron po doon malayo. And this is really in the bush. Just have to make sure tonight nakalock po lahat ng door kasi nasa bush po tayo. And dito po sa kabila yung bush. Probably we're gonna light a fire since we have free wood out there. Si Sylvester kumakain pa rin po ng noodles. So where you reckon we can light fire tonight, honeybee? For good spots. It's alright to light the fire because it's still winter. Hi, darling. My goodness.
Getting ready for swimming.
Ready na pala siya mag-swim. I know. Ah, so just over there. Just next to the boat, mag-light fire tayo tonight. Yes? Ah, it should be alright. Sylvester, you're so sexy. Okay, is the spa is already heated, honey?
Yeah, it's ready to go.
Okay, let's go, Sylvester. Samahan natin mag-ano si Sylvester. Where?
Going this way.
Samahan natin siya. Mag-spa daw si Sylvester. Kanina pa yan eh. So, dito tayo dadaan.
You need to unlock this door.
Oh, there's another door there, is it?
There's a lock.
That's alright. We're not going inside anyway. Oh, be careful. Don't run. Oh, meron pala tayo diyang kapitbahay sa kabila. Baka mamaya meron another mag-park dito. Yeah! It's already heated! No! Sobrang excited. Kahit malamig po yung hangin, the water is very warm.
Hey, put my gum on.
Yes?
Look, boy.
Oh, then, Sylvester.
37 degrees.
37 degrees. It's very warm.
Do you want to try?
Yeah, probably later. Di ba? Feel na feel niya dito mag-spa. Nagda-dive pa.
I'm gonna dive with you in the water.
Yeah. And ito yung view natin. Mas maganda na kaysa kanina at mas tahimik po dito actually. Kasi kaninang umaga medyo maingay and kagabi medyo maingay. May nagiinuman because it was Saturday. And si Kapitan Dave, hey Captain, where are we going tomorrow? Mag-continue na naman po kami that way. So, itong buong Murray River, i-tour na lahat ni Dave. It's getting late. Alak po ito. Hindi po kami natuloy sa campfire namin. Kasi napagod si David at napagod rin ako. So, siguro, bukas na lang po kami mag-light ng fire. And ganito po kadilim dito pag gabi. Pero at least meron po kaming light dito sa front. So, everybody is resting dahil mag-continue pa po kami pag-drive bukas. And, back natin yan. Si Sylvester, tapos na naligo. How are you, Sylvester? Are you done having a spa? Yes, tapos na siya. Punta po tayo sa likod.
You want to go on a spa?
I'm okay, thank you. Ganito po dito kadilim. Yeah, I can see the city. Merong bridge dyan. Yep. Ito kadilim. Good morning, everyone. Kakagising lang po namin. Actually, medyo ako kinabahan kagabi kasi someone knocking our door last night, humihingi ng pagkain, and then medyo ako naawa, kaso si David ayaw niyang magbigay ng pagkain kasi you never know, baka delikado daw, baka anong gagawin nila sa amin. He was knocking the door over here last night with a flashlight. Sabi ko kung Dave, natawag na tayo ng police if he keep harassing us.
Pero umalis naman siya because it was nighttime. Nakakatakot po siya. So, dahil nandito tayo nag-camp in the bush, malapit lang naman ito sa sa highway. So, may mga tao doon sa unahan. Kaya siguro napunta siya dito kagabi kasi yung light namin naka-on. But yes, it's a bit worried pag in the night time, may mag-knock ng door sa'yo, tapos humihingi ng pagkain. Tapos halos hindi pa namin makita kung ano yung mukha niya or kung ano yung intention niya in the night time, around mga 8 p.m. Labas po tayo dahil maya-maya ay aalis po kami. So, hindi kami natuloy light fire last night. Pero okay lang kasi may tao kagabi. So, imagine, dyan kami nakaupo kagabi. Baka makita namin siya, napakalapit lang. So, I think maganda po ang weather ngayon. Hindi windy. Mag-ano lang po ako ng kape, Milo. Magkape si Dave. And si Sylvester gising na po. Labas tayo dito sa unahan. Tingnan natin kung may mga pelikan ngayon. Minsan lumalabas sila, minsan hindi. Ayun, yung pelikan malayo. Gusto ko sana sila bigyan ng isda. Minsan hanggang dito yan sila guys. Nag-aantay, napakainin niyo po. I need to be brave. Oh, I did it. Siguro mas easy siya gamitin pag may kayo, lighter. Pag matches, natatakot kayo. Hi, darling.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning, Sebastian. How are you?
Good.
Did you sleep alright last night?
Yes.
Yes, you did. At nag-decide po si Dave na mag-start na po kami pag-drive dahil it's about 2 hours po to our another campsite. And ito na ang ating pogi na Captain David. Oy, grabe si Dave. How are you, Han?
I'm good.
You're doing very well. And ito po yung mapa namin, GPS. At the moment, we're only doing 5.2 kilometer an hour. And nandyan po kami in the middle of the water.
And we've travelled 5 kilometres already
5 kilometers so far.
since we started, I think.
Yeah, and ito po yung reverse camera. Makikita po namin sa likod kung mayroon po bang tao, nagkayaking, or bangka po sa likod. Because it's very slow. Parang walking lang po ito. Walking speed lang. So, labas po tayo. Ganyan lang po siya ka-slow. Hindi talaga siya mabilis. And si Dave is really doing alright. Marami na pong practice ang aking asawa. Wow! Si Sylvester nasa kwarto lang po. Punta po tayo to other side. Maraming houseboat na nakapark lang po. And makikita niyo yung bangka. Super slow lang po yung moving namin. It's about mga 2 hours po to another campsite. Good job, honeybee. Feel na feel ni Captain Dave. So, kailangan lang palaging naka-straight. Ito yung makikita niyo kung straight lang yung wheels niyo. Wheels ba? There's a wheels?
Steering wheel.
Steering wheels. So, ito, in the middle, straight. And then, if you turn left, right, makikita niyo rin po yan mag-move. So, where are we going? Is that the dot?
Yeah, that's a marker. That's 890.
Habang nagda-drive po si Deb, ako'y mag-continue pagluto ng oats. Na-distract ako kanina. Oops. So, yung bangka pag naka-andar, hindi naman siya masyadong nagmo-move kasi yung tubig dito sa river, napaka-flat lang po unless mahangin po siya. Wala po siyang wave. Tapos, mag-a-add tayo ng sugar. Mag-a-add na po tayo ng saging. Paluto na yung oats ko. Choo-choo! Choo-choo! Ang daming ibon.
There's another boat coming, honey. So we have to keep it right.
Take to the right of the boat.
Nandun yung bangka. So it's opposite to the road.
Yeah, it's like in the Philippines, the same side you're driving.
Kasi pag nagda-drive kayo sa highway, you have to keep left. Pag sa dito sa river, you have to keep it right. No, you don't turn horn.
You have to do the horn with birds.
Yes.
That boat might be parked, and you reckon, or not?
Is the boat parking?
I'm not sure. Guess we'll find out.
Do you like it, Sebastian, that is driving?
Yes. Hi.
Did you wave, Sebastian? There's another boat. Nanonood na ng Blowy. Tinanggal na yung reverse camera. Anyway, we don't need the reverse camera really unless we're reversing. How are you, Han?
I'm good.
Have you eaten the breakfast already?
Yeah, just ate the oats.
Kumain na siya ng oats. Remove the bag purse.
After pull this first.
Yes. Good job, Sebastian. I gotta remove the bag. Just wait.
You have to push it this one.
Yeah.
Yeah, we need to go. Try to do this a bit.
Good job, Sebastian. Do you need a pillow? Would you like to sleep? There's a lot of pillow in your room.
Let's sing this what man said.
Yeah. Maraming, look, have a look. There's a lot of houseboat there.
They're very tiny, some of them.
Yeah.
I want to save it. It's more.
Yeah. Yeah, there's heaps. Look at that. There's tiny ones, Sebastian. Look.
Come on.
Napakadaming houseboat. Lahat po yan sila siguro nakatira talaga sa houseboat kasi nakapark yung ano nila, houseboat dyan. Probably for a long time. Grabe, ang dami namang TV. Lucky merong solar. So, in the daytime, it run by solar. Lahat ng kuryente dito, at least, makakatipid. Kasi yung generator, it's run by petrol. Mahal po yun.
It says Bruce Benton, stay in the middle.
Yeah. Guys, marami pong nagtatanong, how does it work yung toilet po dito sa houseboat? Kasi may nagsasabi, kaya madumi yung river na pinapakita ko sa video, baka daw direct yung mga toilet sa tubig. Hindi po. Yung Murray River is madumi talaga. It's always kulay brown. And then yung toilet po dito sa houseboat, meron po ditong malaking portable toilet. So, pareho lang po talaga sa mga motorhome or caravan. May mga portable toilet. Ang pinagkaiba lang po talaga sa houseboat dahil napakalaking houseboat po ito. It's about 60 tons. Napakalaki po ang kanilang portable toilet. And then matagal po ito mapuno. And pag napuno po ito ay tinatapon po ito sa dumping site. May tamang paraan po ang pagtatapon po ng mga dumi. So yes, hindi po yung iniisip nyo na yung mga houseboat dito sa Murray River na diretso lang po sa river mag-ano yung toilet. Hindi po, bawal po yan. Ito po ang aming bagong campsite. Pretty much similar lang po sa campsite namin kahapon. But here, parang wala naman ditong highway, really in the bush. So how was it, the driving, honey, for 2 hours?
Yeah, it's fun.
2 hours po siya nag-travel. And sa wakas, I think dito na talaga kami mag-light ng firewood. Then we go for fishing, honeybee.
Yeah.
Mag-fishing po kami. Hi! So guys, naisipan ko po mag-barbecue dito for our lunch while dito po kami mag-camping dahil bumili po ako ng karne. Kailangan lutuin po ito siya. So ito yung lulutuin po natin. Magluluto po ako ng beef stick. Bumili din po ako ng ribs. I think maganda ito i-barbecue or sabawin. So nakainit na itong barbecue natin. So i-cover lang po natin. Tingnan niyo po yung isang bata, napaka-busy. What are you doing, darling? Oh, you're getting prepared for making a fire tonight. Wow, this is very nice.
I'll collect some wood from that to catch those snakes.
Have you?
I was trying to
That's a lot of stick.
the bang between uncle.
Oh, done. That's a lot of wood there.
I don't know. I wonder.
Ngayon, magluluto po tayo ng gulay. Dala po namin yung pananim po namin na cabbage para fresh po talaga. Oh, that's big. Another houseboat. Look at that. Luto na po ang gulay. Madali lang talaga lutuin yung cabbage and broccoli. And yung the rest vegetable ay mamaya na lang guys. Ito na lang, green vegetable sapat na. And yung malaking bangka, ang laki. Nag-bounce po yung aming bangka dahil there's another one boat passing by. Ang laki. And I believe itong barbecue, luto na. Yay! Kakain na po kami. Let's have lunch, guys. Luto na yung gulay at saka rice. Kain na po kami. Kain po tayo. Someone fishing and dancing. Who's that? Oh dear. Honey bear, did you catch fish now? Doesn't look like it. You're just dancing. Let's make a fire.
Thanks to me.
Thanks to Sylvester.
Because I built it.
All done, Sylvester.
Yes, and we got spare leaves.
Napaka-proud niya kasi siya lang ito lahat nag-collect. Thanks to all your efforts. Look
Yes,
at that.
because I built it.
We probably need a chair now.
Let's get
There we go. Magkano yan? How much did we pay for that?
Maybe $10.
$10. Sylvester, no, don't start the fire there.
Is this it? There's a top.
In the sink. Yeah. Naglalaro na.
the big. Hey! Hey!
Sobrang excited. Is it red gum, honey?
Yes, right on.
Mahal po to bilhin. $10 na ito. Maganda kasi
I'm gonna get whip some back. Lots of
but you
back.
are supposed to no more that wood because
No,
very
I'm
smoky.
not using it.
Yeah.
I'm using the bark.
Ang tagal na po namin. It's been a long time since we light the fire.
Yeah.
Matagal na kasi hindi na kami gumagamit ngayon ng aming firewood dahil we've been using an aircon sa bahay. So yes, it's been a long time since nakatira kami sa caravan. Bago na-experience namin to ulit. Sebastian, that's enough! We should go for fishing. Baka gutom ang isda ngayon. Honey.
Yeah, I'll pass the lunch.
Yeah, maganda dito mag-light ng fire kasi kung just in case is maraming tubig. Tingnan niyo po. Tara, mag-fishing. Meron ako dito fishing line. 5 p.m. sabi nila perfect daw mag-fishing pag gabi. Kaman si Mr. Meron Swan. Lumapit siya dito habang nagpe-fishing ako.
Friendly.
Oh my gosh! He loves bread! Come on, darling. Come. Oh, it's so friendly. Hindi na ako makapag-fishing. Naaliw na sa swan. Oh, he loves bread.
Here we go.
They have a very long neck. Is this a girl?
I
Do
don't.
you know if it's a girl or a boy?
It's hard to tell.
Look at the furs! No! Ala! Natatakot na. You want bite? Oh, yum yum. Magbalik-balik na ito sa amin.
You want to hand feed it?
Did she bite you?
Oh, I just plucked it off. You just have to hold it. They don't have a sharp beak.
Bye-bye, Swan. I think she have enough. She's drinking water now.
They're pretty cool, aren't they?
Yeah. No more. Oh, there's another bird making that sound. I think he's full. At gabi na. Yung dalawa. Honeybee. Yung dalawa. Nagpapainit sa apoy. I'm coming.
This is the same place where we camped in Tasmania.
Look at you guys relaxing with the fire.
Fire's growing.
Wow, the fire is really growing, Sylvester, and you're not wearing any shoes.
Because I want my feet to be
Oh,
warm.
there's his shoes.
Let's go.
We should go inside soon because it's getting dark. It's getting late, and you have to eat dinner.
I want to cook dinner here.
Over here?
Yes.
Ay, gusto niya dito magluto.
Look at the pelicans. They're still cruising around.
The pelican, the bird.
Yeah.
Oh, ang init. Kailangan patayin yan bago we go inside. Is there's a possum, Sebastian? Ang daming mga wild animals dito pag nagka-camping po kayo. Nakita ni...
We might see it if we walk around the tree.
Be careful! Masunog yung lips mo.
I can see it.
Where is it, honey?
It's up there. Sylvester, where's your torch? I can see it.
Where? Ah, yes! I can see something's moving. I can see the tail.
Yeah, it's a possum.
He's eating something.
See, it's right up the
I
top.
can see the eyes.
Yeah.
Have a look in my camera. Come on over here in my camera. Can you see that now? Can you see that now? You see the eye?
What?
Look.
Got a long tail, bushy.
Oh,
Oh, there's one here.
Yeah, that's the one I'm filming.
Oh, I saw one over there in the big
That's
tree.
the one I'm
So
filming.
there's two of them.
Look at that.
I was looking at another one.
That's the possum na nakita ni Deb. And apparently, if you give them food, they can actually scratch you. Good morning guys! Kakagising lang. River ngayon, napaka-smooth ng tubig. Hindi masyadong maraming wave. Yesterday maraming wave, kaya mag-Milo muna tayo. At maaga pa lang, lumabas na yung isa para maglaro sa apoy. Wala na yung apoy. Sebastian, good morning! Labas tayo dito sa kabila, sa land. Sa kabila naman ay river. Good morning. Pinatay niya dito yung apoy kasi nag-start dyan. Don't go very far over there. Just stay here.
Hi guys.
Good morning. How are you?
Good.
Are you having fun?
Yes.
But remember, fire, it's danger.
Yes, I know.
Especially if you start making fire sa bahay. Nako, delikado. It's okay over here next to the river. But remember, always remember, fire,
Yes.
it's danger, okay?
I remember.
Okay. So guys, magdadrive na naman po kami. Yes, ganito ang buhay sa houseboat kasi mahal ang bayad mo. Siyempre, isulit mo na lang din. And mag-explore na naman po kami. Panay-move lang po kami. Honey Bear, are we going for drive person?
Yeah, maybe a lunch, huh?
Lunchtime. And that's all for today's video guys. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. Bye!